Hi, beautiful people. Today, we're diving into 7 powerhouse skills that can truly change your life. No hype, just the real deal. If you want more wealth and freedom, these are the skills you need. Whether you dream of starting a business or leveling up your life, mastering these will open doors you never thought possible. Ready? Let's go. Let's kick things off by talking about one of the most powerful skills you can ever develop: sales and persuasion. Whether you realize it or not, these abilities are at the heart of every successful business person, entrepreneur, and leader. They're not just about selling products or services, they're about influencing outcomes, inspiring action, and opening doors that might otherwise stay closed. Think of sales and persuasion as your ultimate wealth-building superpower. They allow you to turn ideas into reality, to rally support for your vision, and to create opportunities where none existed before. The most successful people in any industry are those who can communicate their value and inspire others to believe in what they're offering. Every business, product, or idea needs someone who can sell it, someone who can make others see its worth. It doesn't matter how great your idea is if you can't get others on board. Sales is the bridge between your vision and the world. Mastering sales is about understanding people, solving their problems, and making genuine connections. It's about listening, empathizing, and finding ways to help others achieve their goals while you achieve yours. Want to launch a business, land your dream job, or climb the corporate ladder? Sales and persuasion are the keys that unlock those doors. You'll need to sell your vision, your skills, and your ideas to others, whether it's investors, employers, or colleagues. You'll need to sell your vision and ideas, not just once, but over and over again, to different people in different situations. The ability to communicate your passion and get others excited is what sets leaders apart. Even negotiating a raise, pitching a new project, or convincing your team to try something new, that's sales too. Every day, you're selling yourself and your ideas, whether you realize it or not. Persuasion is about building trust, communicating clearly, and making others feel understood. When people trust you and believe in your message, they're far more likely to support you and your goals. When you can persuade, opportunities come to you. People want to work with you, invest in you, and help you succeed. It's a skill that pays dividends for a lifetime. The best part? Sales and persuasion aren't talents you're born with, they're learnable skills. Anyone can improve with the right mindset, practice, and a willingness to step outside their comfort zone. Study the best, practice every chance you get, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. The more you practice, the more confident and effective you'll become. Master this, and you'll unlock endless doors and income streams. Sales and persuasion truly are your golden ticket to success, no matter where you want to go. Next up is a skill that's absolutely essential: financial literacy. In today's world, understanding your finances isn't just a nice to have, it's a must-have. Whether you dream of building wealth, starting a business, or simply living comfortably, knowing how to manage your money is the foundation for all of it. If you want to be rich, you need to know how money works. That means going beyond just earning a paycheck. It's about understanding where your money goes, how to make it work for you, and how to avoid common financial pitfalls that can set you back. It's not just about earning more, it's about managing, growing, and protecting what you have. Even if you start small, the habits you build now can lead to big results over time. Every dollar you save or invest wisely is a step toward financial freedom. Financial literacy means understanding budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. It's about knowing how to set realistic goals, track your spending, and make informed decisions that align with your values and future plans. Most people get stuck because they don't have a plan for their money. Without a clear strategy, it's easy to fall into debt, overspend, or miss out on opportunities to grow your wealth. But you can break that cycle by taking control of your finances. But when you're financially literate, you see money as a tool to build the life you want. You become empowered to make choices that support your dreams, whether that's traveling the world, buying a home, or starting your own business. Imagine confidently making smart investments and spotting financial red flags before they become problems. You'll be able to evaluate risks, diversify your assets, and protect yourself from scams or bad deals. Make learning about money a lifelong habit. Read, take courses, talk to experts, and stay curious. The financial world is always changing, so staying informed will help you adapt and thrive no matter what comes your way. The more you know, the more you'll grow. Remember, financial literacy isn't just about numbers, it's about creating the future you want, one smart decision at a time. Let's talk about a secret weapon most millionaires swear by: networking. The relationships you build can open doors and lead to opportunities you never imagined. Networking isn't just about collecting business cards, it's about building genuine relationships and offering value. The best jobs, clients, and collaborations often come from someone you know. Networking is a long game. Focus on what you can give, not just what you can get. Attend events, join communities, and connect with people who inspire you. The richer your relationships, the richer your opportunities. Now let's talk about a skill that can literally put money in your pocket: negotiation. You're negotiating all the time. Salaries, contracts, prices. Skilled negotiators ask for what they want and get it. It's about preparation, confidence, and understanding both sides. Most people leave money on the table because they're afraid to ask. Negotiation is about finding win-win solutions, not being pushy. Start honing your negotiation skills. It's one of the fastest ways to boost your income. Let's step boldly into the digital age with a skill that's not just growing, but absolutely exploding in value: digital marketing. In today's hyper-connected world, mastering digital marketing is like holding the keys to a global audience. It's a field that's constantly evolving, offering new ways to connect, engage, and inspire people across the world. Whether you're building a business from scratch, growing a side hustle, or developing your personal brand, digital marketing is the bridge that connects you to your audience. It's how you reach people where they spend their time: on social media, in their inboxes, and through search engines. With digital marketing, you can turn casual followers into loyal customers and passionate fans. The world of digital marketing covers everything from social media management and email campaigns to SEO, content creation, and paid advertising. Each area offers unique opportunities to tell your story, build trust, and drive results. In today's fast-paced world, attention is the new currency. If you can capture and hold it, you have the power to grow any business quickly and efficiently. The right message, delivered at the right time, can go viral and change your life overnight. The best part? You don't need a massive budget or a big team to get started. With affordable tools and a willingness to learn, anyone can master the basics and start seeing results. Consistency and creativity are your greatest assets. Digital marketing skills are in higher demand than ever before. Businesses of all sizes are searching for people who can help them grow online. By mastering these skills, you open the door to endless opportunities, whether you want to freelance, land a great job, or launch your own venture. Dive in, experiment with new strategies, and never stop learning. The digital landscape rewards those who are curious, adaptable, and willing to test new ideas. The digital world is always changing, so stay ready, keep your skills sharp, and watch your reach and your wealth grow. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite skills: problem solving. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you can make. Creative problem solvers are in high demand everywhere. It's not about always having the right answer, but about asking the right questions and testing new approaches. Companies reward employees who save time or invent new products. As an entrepreneur, the world pays you to solve its toughest problems. The more problems you solve, the richer you'll become. And finally, let's talk about the skill that ties it all together: time management. Time is your most valuable asset. You can't make more of it. The richest people are masters of their time. Time management is about focusing on what matters most and cutting out distractions. Plan ahead, batch tasks, and protect your energy. The result? More progress, more opportunities, and more income. Make every minute count. That's it. 7 powerful skills that can make you rich if you're willing to learn and apply them. None of these require a fancy degree, just commitment and action. Pick one skill and go all in. If you found this valuable, subscribe and let me know which skill you'll master first. Until next time, go out there and create a life you love. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.